What did you do today?
Well, when I was driving, there was this guy. I looked in his window. He's picking his nose.
Look at his nose.
Yeah.
That's like X-rated.
Never do that in public. What did you do today?
I walked downtown. I saw a hobo.
Really? There's a lot of those.
Yeah, he was picking his butt. I swear, I think I saw a bird come out of that. I'm not kidding. Poor bird.
Poor hobo. You know how painful that is?
What if I were a hobo? Oh wow. I'd be picking the bird out of my butt.
Try a monkey.
I already got one of those. That's why my mom says the scar on my butt used to be my tail.
You used to have a scar?
It's your butthole. She said she saw me at a zoo. That's not cool.
That's believable.
Serious, you're very beautiful for a zoo.
If you were a zoo animal, you'd be precious. You're one of a kind.
Are you saying zoo animals hate on me?
So, what else do you want to do today?
Oh yeah, I did say, huh?
You didn't answer the question.
No! I don't know. What do you want to do?
Get my Del Monte.
Isn't that alcohol? It saves a lot.
What about you?